Some people random here. So we have a best padlock. It's a, I believe it's a 21B, and the keyway is a J keyway. Now we got the keys here. Let's see. Where's your control? Does work. And the operator does not work. So let's see if we can pick it into operation. I think we can. I think we can. So at least with the control, at least we can get it out. And even if we didn't have the control, I did make a control pick at one time, which needs to be redone because it's been a little abused. So on this one, normally in the J keyway, I don't like to use top of the keyway tension because there's a little indent on the bottom side that will break off. But this one has been previously loved and by the picking community, I'm guessing. And the indent is been removed. It's been removed by doing exactly what I'm doing. Picking it. So we'll start at the back. See what we got. Nothing good. We'll start at the front. Do that one more time. I'm going to flip this around. I'm using the wrong side of the wrench. Maybe a little shorter. And I'm going to use fairly heavy tension. Okay. One didn't click. It did move, but it stopped. Pin 2. We'll click on pin 3. We'll click on pin 4. Just a tiny one on pin 5. Pin 6. And pin 7. Come on, little guy. Now, like the odd best I've had, it will sit there completely locked. What's this one's doing? I still don't feel right about number 1. Just the way it stopped, it felt like that's where it should stop. I don't feel like I'm hitting number 7 properly. Just go through front to back, try to find something that's sticking. There we go. It's pin 3. Give me one click, and then the first time through, second time around, give me another click. So there we are. Now we got our open. Either way, have yourselves a good day and support your local locksmith.